Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a little package from Maniology today, and it's a little stamping kit. This is Santa's Workshop Stamping Starter Kit. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what all's inside of it and check it out. Very excited for Christmas. Can't wait to start doing Christmas nails. Okay, so we have a stamping kit and it is super cute. This is M341. Oh, it's got the candy cane stripes. This is such a popular image. That is a great one to have. Cute little snowman. Aw. Santa. Oh, little truck with a Christmas tree in it. Cute little chubby reindeer. This snowflake image is stunning. That is so beautiful. I love that. Little sweater, knits, and like caps and socks. Another little snowflake image. Very cute stamping plate. Got a little booklet here. Tells you everything you need to know, how-tos, and all of that. Troubleshooting tips, all kinds of things. And never forget to peel off the blue film from your stamping plate before you start, because it won't work if you don't. Inside, we have a little scraper. Cute little design on there. And an ice cube stamper. These are really great. Get this opened. It's got the same cute little design on it that the scraper does. And it's a nice, squishy, kind of tacky stamping head. Very nice. And we also have two polishes. So we have a metallic silver. It's not super silver. It's almost got like a pewter kind of color to it. This one's called Fleece. Very nice. And this is like a reddish, magenta, pinky kind of color. And yeah, so let's go ahead and swatch these. We're going to swatch the colors on top of them using the stamper and stamping plate that came in the kit. Okay, and like I said, before you get started, you want to pull that blue film off. I like to use tweezers sometimes because it makes it easier to get a hold of that edge. And just peel that baby off. Oh, I love a fresh plate. They're so shiny. I do like to clean them before I use them because that blue film will sometimes leave a sticky residue. And I like to use cotton balls, and you need to use 100% acetone, not alcohol, to clean your plates with. And it's also a good idea to have like a cotton cloth so you don't mess up your nails. Maniology has some cute cotton cloths. And also a lint roller of some kind of like sticky tape to clean off your stamper, because you never want to clean your stamper with acetone or anything like that. You always just want to run it like on something sticky to clean it off. Okay, so now we're all cleaned off and ready to go. I think I'm going to use this little candy cane image and the snowflake image. I'm going to use the pink one with the candy cane. And I'll just get you guys maybe in a better position to see here, hopefully. All right. Now, line images can be a little tricky to get them filled in. So you want to kind of scrape with the lines, not against them. Okay, that picked up really good, and we're just going to swatch it right on top here. So not super, super great over the black, but you can still kind of see it, but it looks beautiful over the white. So if you're gonna stamp like candy cane stripes over white, that looks like a little candy cane stick. Super cute. Okay, and then I've got just a little extra on my stamper. So lint roller, easy peasy. All right, now let's do the silver one. And we're going to do the snowflakes. And get a little bit more acetone because my cotton ball feels a little dry. There we go. Make sure we clean that image off. We get a nice, good, clean image. Ooh, this is a pretty color. I really like this one, you guys. Ooh, that's so sparkly. Not used to the square stampers. I usually use a round one. There we go. That looks gorgeous over the black. More so than the white, but you can still kind of see it. So kind of opposite of this one. So pretty. Ooh, I love that one. I love a good metallic stamping polish. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Maniology is having a giveaway right now. So they are giving away 100 of these little Santa workshop kits. So if you want one of these, there is a link in the description box that you just need to follow. So if you want to enter for a chance to win, you can follow the link in the description box below and just follow all of that and enter. And good luck to you. I hope you guys get one. Like I said, they're giving away 100 of these, so that's amazing. So definitely go enter. You know, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to enter and win you one of these little kits. So super perfect for Christmas. It's going on now until I believe November 18th. So definitely go check that out. And that is it for this video, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.